Hey guys, welcome back to, is my camera lens open all the way? We started the day out, we were gonna redo Heather's master closet because there's holes in the wall from where there was like an organizer or something and they took it down and there's just holes, so it's gonna patch the holes and paint in there and redo all that, and we just went dark. But okay, so plans changed. Reagan got her very own first apartment. She did have her, well, her and her boyfriend split it with his grandmother, so they, you know, they had all of her things to use, but did pay rent. But anyway, they got their own place, so they have nothing. So we had all kinds of stuff saved for Kennedy for college that she didn't use, so we took all that to her, and now we took her bed. We got her a bed. We got her like $100 from the food CD, and now we are at the Walmart fixing to get a futon and sheets and all of it. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with us, and I'm gonna show you her little cute apartment. We at the Walmart. That ain't gonna roll good because it's sitting out by itself. Oh, never mind. Cups, bowls, all the goods. That big old egg chair is $159. That's what? She's not messing. Ready? Yep. Back it up, Terry. Beep, beep. Jesus, take the buggy.
I mean, does she need one right now, or?
I don't. We'll do without. She can lay it on towel. I don't know. $6.
Well, so that's one for $5.
It's a cleaning caddy. She ain't gonna use up. She good. She never get nothing else from me.
Did you have your phone? Yeah, I see it.
Yes, Mom. I have my phone. It's supermarket sweet. Remember that?
Have fun loading it, yeah.
I'll load it. Don't do anything. Philippians 4:13. Tell them about your car accident.
So we were moving Reagan some stuff in, and so I'm at this red light going towards the house, and I feel some poor little boy rear-ended me.
Little 16-year-old boy.
He was probably 16, 18 years old.
Looking at his phone.
He was.
His girlfriend. Heather.
Well, we'll have to scoot everything up and get it out.
You lost my phone?
No, just scoot it up. Move the stuff.
It's got Christmas tree hay all over it.
Anyway,
I'm gonna tell them about our Christmas tree by the back of the Explorer.
I'm telling my story.
Okay.
Pull into the gas station that's nearby, and this little fella goes, "Ma'am, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry."
Okay.
Anyway, he hit my car, nothing was wrong, and it's all over.
It's just a little scratch, and he was tore up, so she was just like, "It's okay, little boy.
Don't worry about it."
I wonder if he told his mom and dad. I wonder if he would have told them.
Probably not. I wouldn't have.
Okay, so I wouldn't have either. I never told my parents nothing. Thanks to Alden for letting us borrow his car. That used to be my car, and kind of miss it, do you? But yeah, anyway, it's besides the point. It's neither. It has nothing to do with the price of eggs in China. Is that what she say? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know what my mom said today? So ugly, it'd stop at 8-day clock.
What the heck does that mean?
Oh God, I don't know.
Clock?
And yeah,
that's the purpose.
something so ugly that it would stop at 8-day clock. That's what my mom said. Like, I don't understand that. I was like, what? Yeah, we're gonna get pizza because the whole crew at the apartment starving to death. So
I'm eating taters when we get home. It's 8:30 and I gotta get up at 5:20.
okay, we just gotta unload this and they're on their own, put it together. Oh Lord, have mercy.
They don't have no utensils. How are they gonna put it
Utensils?
No tools. How are they gonna put it together?
I think it probably comes from the Allen wrench, you think? What was I gonna tell him? I was gonna tell him the story. Oh, I'll tell him our Christmas tree story while you're eating pizza. So Alden pulls in the driveway, and he had picked Allie up from school. She was with him. So they pulled in the driveway, and we were outside for some reason. Heather and I was, and he said, Allison got out of the car, and she was like, "Dad told me not to tell you this, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. There's a Christmas tree on the side of the road, and it's like this huge house on a hill, like probably like seriously $1 million home, okay? They have a Christmas tree put at the end of their driveway. So we gotta get this Christmas tree, King of Christmas.
There's a dead skunk out here.
Okay, we go get this it's a King of Christmas tree, okay? So I'm so flipping excited, so excited. I don't even care if the lights work. I just wanted that tree. I mean, it was big, it was 12 feet at least.
It looks like the ones I've seen on the YouTube. I'm glad we didn't get it.
Huh. Anyway, so we put it in the back of Alden's Explorer because, you know, it's bigger. So anyway, we get it home. Two trips, okay? So when we get it home, we start like fluffing it out. Hay goes everywhere. Like they have stored this Christmas tree in a barn or something. It was so bad. Like we had to vacuum his car out. I just seen like some stuff down the cracks. That's why it reminded me. But we had to drag it to the road and wait on that big claw truck to come get it. So it sat at the end of our driveway instead of their driveway. But that Christmas tree was nice. Mom was like, well, why don't you take a leaf blower to it and blow it out? And I was like, Mom, it was, they don't understand. It was past that, wasn't it?
It was bad.
It was so bad. But it was just like caked full of hay. And I was like, I mean, you got more money and you got sense if you're gonna put a King of Christmas tree in a barn. It's crazy. But anyway, I had a King of Christmas tree for like 5 minutes and then probably a couple weeks at the end of our driveway. But
and there was no tree stand.
no, there wasn't a tree stand with it, which was no big deal. I was like, we'll get a tree stand. Girl, we'll get a tree stand. So anyway. Y'all know I bought my mama a Christmas tree for Christmas, so I was hoping that was right before we bought it that same, well, we bought it like the next day, yeah. So I was like, I'm gonna blow this stuff out of this Christmas tree and I'm gonna make it look new again and I'm gonna give it to my mom. Didn't work. Let me tell you a story. I had my nails done, and I never get my nails done. I've only probably had my nails done like 5 times my whole life, but I had acrylic nails on, and they had grew out, and I was just tired of them, so I was picking them off, just pulling them off, you know. So I was laying on there, and Kaylin was probably 4 or 5, maybe, and she goes and gets a Ziploc bag, and I was like, what are you doing? Just take them to the trash can. And she was like, no, I'm saving them. I'm gonna give them to Mama for Christmas. I was like, that's not how it works, kid. So, and then one day I picked her up from school and she got in the car and I was like, what happened to your hair, Kaylin? And I mean, it was so bad. It was like matted. It was awful. I was like, what's wrong with your hair? And she was like, I got it highlighted today. And I was like, what? And she said, yeah, I took highlighters to it. I was like, that is not what highlighted means. It was pink, it was purple, it was blue, it was yellow, it was every color. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it here. But I sent a picture to my mom and I was like, Mom, look what your kid did at school today. She texted me back and she said she's had it or something like that. It was so funny. If I can find that picture, I'll insert it because it is hilarious. But anyway, we'll see you at the apartment. I'm gonna show y'all around. So it is really cute. I'm proud of her. She's worked hard to save the money up to do this. So anyway, just stick it in the drawer and shut the door.
Was that your camera that used to do it?
Yeah. How's yours doing?
I don't really be doing it like that. I just be doing yours.
Have you got 1,000 yet? Have you got monetized yet? Are you close?
I got.
What, you like? 3.
I had to make another one.
Oh, did you? Oh yeah, we got y'all some stuff. Listen, Reagan and Cordell, listen. Merry Christmas.
I know, that's what I told you.
We just spent dollars on y'all.
I know. I spent.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Y'all getting a t-shirt. If that. I got you this shampoo and conditioner, okay? And, okay, I got you this. You better tell these people thank you. That's how you getting it.
Thank you. Oh yeah, it's just some silverware. You need that, look, these plates is what I was telling you.
That's what we live on.
Me too. Me too.
Seriously, I like them. I got microfiber, they're really soft. I just got 2 twins each. Did y'all already get that futon out?
Yeah. Can I have a piece of pizza?
Yes. Yes. Reagan sat on the bed the whole time?
Yeah.
Did you do it all, Cordell?
No, I pulled that stuff out.
He's sleeping, they set the things up.
Oh my gosh, look. That is adorable. Let it run around. Well, don't yet. We'll step on it.
I chew my internet stuff up. I really don't want
Will it?
Yeah, the choose cords.
Probably has an Allen wrench with it to put it together. Like the little thing. Yeah, I hope so too.
What? Okay, no one say nothing. I'm gonna ask them their opinion. Where should my couch and TV go?
TV here, couch there.
That's what I thought. Yeah. Kelsey didn't want me to put it there because of the heater.
Oh.
She wanted to put it right here, the couch right here.
Is it on? Because we got stuff up against it. Well, what if you put your couch there and your TV here? Since your internet's there, yeah, I would do that.
She don't want to do that. She don't. But she wants your opinion, but she don't want to do that.
I know.
So Allie's been working.
You been organizing. Okay, I gotta give them the tour. So you walk in the door, and here is the kitchen. I mean, here's the living room. It's got new floors. They just remodeled, right?
Worked my butt off for you.
Yes, you did. Hard work pays off, right?
Yes, Mom.
What? And the kitchen.
Show her the cabinets that I did. I did all of it.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Andy been over there eats all of them.
Look,
I
I did all this.
Mimi, did you forget about my opinion?
I did all this.
Listen, it ain't meant to be. Get you a cloth and just spray and wipe, okay?
Mama, I did all this. You
Cute.
didn't know that he was getting that, so he did this.
Like that.
Oh, so you didn't have a drawer? You didn't have a container thing for your silverware? Okay, well, good. Good. So you walk through here, and here's her washer and dryer. And then there is the bathroom. This is the bedroom. It's pretty good sized. And they have a back door and a little patio back here. They needed a new bed, and I had 2 twin beds and 2 twin mattresses. So I was like, just put them together, you know? So that's what they're gonna do for now until they can get something better. Hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? But it's cute. I'm proud of her. Cordell over doing all the work.
My ceilings, they're pretty high.
They are.
I didn't expect them to be that high. I was expecting my bone to get
Look at them. They're so excited. We'll try to get this bed put together real quick. It's almost done.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, dancer, prancer.
Kelsey, you brought the camera. Turn around and say hi.
Hey, girl, hey.
It's better
run yet.
than nothing. I mean, is it?
Mama,
She did. She wanted them, and then
This
you
came
take
with
these.
4. So these
I'm
are
getting-
extra.
That blanket in there is green. I'm putting this on my futon now.
Mama, do you
That's
think
so
this
cool.
looks
They're
bigger?
gonna be
You
cute.
think this
That's
looks
why I got
bigger
that.
back here?
I'm about to go buy me 2 twin mattresses.
I'm telling you, you get mad at each other, you can split them up.
I don't even care.
That
I
too.
don't like.
Bunk beds, more room for activities.
Mama, she's nervous about that door. I'll tell her to put a chair on it.
I should have brought door stoppers, but
It's
that
okay.
screen
I
door
feel
lock.
you'll be okay.
Yeah, it's got a good lock on it.
No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the trees.
I think it's cute for a first place. It could be a lot worse.
Yeah.
Look at Cordell doing all the work.
He was like,
Hey, you could put
Megan,
Oh.
you can't have everything in one day. You'll get something
Yeah.
to put there.
Took Jesus 6 days, then he rested.
Yeah.
I mean, it's better than nothing.
Oh,
I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night, be a hope for the world so broken, be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me, make the broken things new, yeah.